What are the pros and cons of hypershipping?
Well, the main pro, I think, is that what you're working on is probably wrong, and you're not going to know that what you're working on is wrong until you get it live into the hands of users. And your goal is generally to be less wrong. So you should ship as fast as possible so that you can get this feedback as quickly as possible. There's obviously much more like mundane pros, like you can just ship more, but that's not always the case, right? There's always like big cons. The main con is you have bugs, right? If the software breaks. Accurately modeling the cost of bugs is really important. So if you're like building a spaceship or a hospital system, the cost of bugs is extraordinarily high because there's lives at stake. Or if you're building a smart contract, the cost of a bug is extremely high because value is at stake, right? Engineers specifically model the cost of a bug way too high. Usually, I would say at least 10x too high. Generally, I think failing is totally fine. Bugs are totally fine. It's not about like minimizing cost. It's about maximizing the difference between value created and cost induced.